Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we are touching on efficient smartphone typing and how to achieve it. Let's start. First, make sure to use a keyboard app that suits you best. Typically, on an Android phone, you will have the Gbard keyboard pre-installed. Sometimes you might also get a Microsoft SwiftKey or Samsung keyboard app. Here, it is hard to advise on the particular app to use. The choice depends on your preferences and goals, so try different apps yourself and pick whatever keyboard you like. Now let's talk about typing tricks and techniques to optimize and expedite your touch keyboard typing. First, check what layouts your keyboard has and try them out. See for yourself which keyboard layout is the most convenient for your typing experience. Play around with keyboard size, try floating keyboard mode, and so on. Second, if your keyboard app of choice has the Glide typing feature, sometimes may be referred to as swipe typing, also try it out. From my personal experience, this is the biggest game changer when it comes to increasing typing speed. Just look at how effortless it is to input a sentence using the Glide typing. Third, now let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. If you tend to type same phrases and/or sentences often, it might be worth creating a shortcut for them. For example, set a shortcut for "on my way" sentence as OMW and replace typing 3 words with just 3 letters. How efficient is that? On the note of finishing this video, I will also recommend that you spend some time in your keyboard app settings to customize and tailor your typing experience even further. For instance, in the Gbard keyboard, you have the suggestion strip and word suggestions in general. Once enabled, it will predict your next words based on whatever you have previously typed. Or, the automatic text correction tool is also worth mentioning, which allows you to have faster and less precise input, since the feature will automatically correct the words you are typing anyway. That'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.